Welcome to Best Buying Guide. The Best Aqua Dragons is probably one of the most fascinating and educational live pet kits available, offering a unique opportunity to observe a miniature aquatic ecosystem come to life right before your eyes. These tiny crustaceans, also known as brine shrimp, hatch from dormant eggs when placed in water, providing a captivating glimpse into a self-contained world that requires minimal care but delivers maximum wonder. Imagine the excitement of watching these little creatures swim, feed, and reproduce, creating a dynamic and ever-changing environment that is both entertaining and a fantastic learning tool for all ages, making it an ideal choice for anyone seeking a low-maintenance yet highly engaging pet experience. Number 5. Sea Monkey's Magic Castle Instant Pets. Get ready for an amazing experience with the Sea Monkey's Magic Castle. It's the world's only instant pets, perfect for ages 6 and up. Inside this kit, you'll find everything needed to start your underwater adventure. It includes a special tank, food, water purifier, and the magical sea monkey eggs. Setting up is easy. Just fill the tank with water to the designated line. Then, add the contents of the packet to bring your new friends to life. Our sea monkey eggs are in a special dry powder form. This is due to cryptobiosis, a natural state of suspended animation that helps them survive until the perfect conditions arise. These incredible creatures are guaranteed to live and thrive for up to 2 years. Watch them grow and rule their magical castle kingdom. What we like? This kit offers a remarkably long lifespan for your new pets, ensuring enjoyment for up to 2 years. If you are looking for a pet that requires minimal maintenance and provides long-term fascination, this is an excellent choice. It's perfect for those who appreciate a pet that lives a long and independent life. What people say. The Aqua Dragons are fascinating creatures that hatch from dormant eggs, bringing a unique and educational experience. This kit provides everything needed to start your Aqua Dragons colony, including the eggs, food, and a habitat. Watching the Aqua Dragons grow and interact is a captivating activity for all ages. Number 4. LEGO NINJAGO Water Dragon Toy 71754. Get ready for epic underwater adventures with this incredible dragon toy. It's perfect for recreating thrilling scenes from the NINJAGO, Seabound TV series. This highly posable dragon figure features movable wings, legs, and neck, plus an opening jaw. Its tail can even be used as a powerful weapon. Explore the depths with a cool mini-submarine that has an opening cockpit. A special wave amulet is also included, ready for display on a seabed unit. This set comes with 5 exciting minifigures, including NRG Naya and Scuba Zane, along with Prince Kalmar and 2 Murray guards. They are all equipped with awesome weapons. Join Scuba Zane in his mini-submarine as Naya transforms into a mighty water dragon. Watch as she uses her tail as a formidable weapon in the fight. Discover more amazing sets inspired by the NINJAGO, Seabound TV series. Collect Lloyd's Hydro Mech, Hydro Bounty, Temple of the Endless Sea, and Ninja Subspeeder. What we like? This set brings the excitement of the NINJAGO, Seabound TV series to life with a highly posable dragon and multiple minifigures. If you are a fan of action-packed adventures and detailed character play, this is the set for you. It's ideal for kids who love imaginative battles and recreating their favorite show scenes. What people say. The Aqua Dragons are fascinating to watch as they swim and interact. The kit includes everything you need to get started, including the eggs, food, and a small tank. It's a great educational toy that teaches children about life cycles and aquatic ecosystems. Number 3. Animagic Aqua Dragons Light Up Deep Sea Habitat. Unleash your inner scientist and hatch amazing, tiny creatures. Watch them come to life in their own special habitat. In just 2 to 3 days, prepare to be amazed as these prehistoric pets hatch and grow. They are truly enchanting little dragons. This special tank features an LED light and a built-in magnifier. You can easily observe them eat, swim, and play. We've included everything necessary to create the perfect home for your new friends. It comes with eggs, food, and fun accessories. Recommended for ages 6 and up, this kit teaches biology and environmental science. Explore their unique life cycle and ecosystem. What we like? This habitat features a special light-up tank with a built-in magnifier for an enhanced viewing experience. If you want to observe your tiny aquatic friends in detail and appreciate a touch of visual flair, this is the one. It's perfect for young aspiring scientists who enjoy a visually engaging way to learn about ecosystems. What people say. The aqua dragons are fascinating creatures that hatch from dormant eggs when placed in water. The kit includes everything you need to get started: a habitat, food, and instructions. It's a great educational toy that teaches children about life cycles and aquatic ecosystems. Number 2. Animagic Aqua Dragons Hatch and Grow Basic Tank. Embark on an exciting journey to build and nurture your very own aquatic ecosystem. Learn how to raise these fascinating prehistoric pets right at home. This kit provides all the essentials for creating a perfect habitat. You'll find everything you need, including the eggs, food, and the tank itself. It's incredibly simple to get started. Just add water and prepare for an amazing transformation. You'll see them emerge from their eggs in just 2 to 3 days. Witness these prehistoric creatures hatch and grow before your eyes. It's a unique opportunity to observe their life cycle and the ecosystem they create. Recommended for children aged 6 and up, this kit offers a fun and engaging way to learn about biology and environmental science. What we like. This basic tank provides a straightforward way to build and nurture your own aquatic ecosystem. If you are looking for a simple, educational introduction to aquatic life and ecosystems, this is a great starting point. It's ideal for beginners who want to learn the fundamentals of pet care and science in an easy-to-manage setup. What people say. The aqua dragons are fascinating to watch as they swim and interact. The kit includes everything you need to get started, making it a convenient choice. It's a great educational toy that teaches children about life cycles and aquatic environments. Number 1. SMILESSKIDDO Science Kit's Electronic STEM Kit. Discover a world of over 420 exciting projects with this incredible science kit. It's designed to make learning about electronics safe and incredibly fun for young minds. With 35 different circuit parts, children can explore fundamental concepts like series and parallel connections. It's an ideal tool for hands-on STEM education. Everything needed for learning is included, and there's no need for soldering or extra tools. Simply snap the circuits together to begin experimenting. A colorful 37-page manual and indicator cards guide children through 118 different circuit builds. This fosters confidence and sparks curiosity. This kit is perfect for cultivating young physicists and keeping them engaged for hours. It encourages free assembly and expands their thinking. Spark your child's imagination with this versatile electronics kit. They can build, learn, and explore a wide range of scientific concepts through play. What we like. This kit offers an incredible breadth of over 420 projects, allowing for extensive exploration of electronics. If you want a toy that provides endless learning opportunities and encourages hands-on experimentation without the need for soldering, this is it. It's perfect for curious kids who love to build, discover, and understand how things work. What people say. The aqua dragons are fascinating to watch and easy to care for. The kit includes everything you need to get started, including food and a booklet with instructions. My children were thrilled to see the aqua dragons hatch and grow. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.